Hey everyone, Dr. Gareth, Dr Cam here from Hilton Chiropractic. Cam, let's do a squat. Now, as you can see, unfortunately, Dr. Cam here has some mobility issues. He can't squat as low as the average person. So what we're going to do is we're going to have some alternatives here for him and people who have issues being able to squat properly to be able to do. So one way is doing a wide squat. So Dr. Cam, nice wide feet there, squatting all the way down and then coming up the same way as he went down. Great little squat there, making sure the same principles apply for a squat, a wide squat as with a normal squat. Keeping your knees over your feet and keeping your back straight, pushing your hips back. The other way is doing an asymmetric or a split squat. So Dr. Cam assumes a position where his feet are slightly asymmetrically positioned, and then he comes over the object, bends down, same principles as a normal squat, comes straight down, hips back, back straight, comes straight back up. And that's how to do an asymmetric and a wide squat. So for those people with mobility issues, those are some great alternatives. That's Dr. Cam, Dr. Gareth, Hilton Chiropractic. You feel free to post below. Cheers guys, bye.